Hello to everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to create custom reports of your tests that you have performed in your club. So first of all, you have to click here at report. Then you need to include the test that you want to be analyzed here. So let's click here. You can choose it from the categories that you have in your club and then the tests that were performed with it, or you also can choose it within the special tests that are the tests received by your club. So I will do by this. I will include more tests that I want to see. So I want to include this test here. Okay, that's all I want. So I will click here, include tests. So we receive this message and just click here at close. So these are the tests that are included. You can see a list here. If you want to create a full report in PDF that include this table and also the many graphics that are generated within the analysis, you can just click at here, save report, that it will be created in a PDF form. Okay, so I want to see the collective results, the collective charts. I can just click here and then you can see the players that I have chosen for this custom report, and here are the points, the performance of the players in this index here. So you can choose different indexes, and then you also can choose offensive or defensive index, whatever you want here. Okay, you can display this information in different ways. So you can see it descending, ascending, and this kind of organization is very good when you want to use this information here to adequate the interactions of the training of the players. So it makes it easier to see, oh, okay, I want to use the best player with this index. Oh, so it's the player 20. Okay, so it helps a lot. And I will leave it like default. And just to highlight that, these bars are related to the quality of decision making, while this line here, this black line, is related to the time that the player takes to make a decision. Okay, the time he takes to read a game and make a decision. And that's it. Now you also can choose among the positions you want to see. So you will just select the position you want to show. Now it's selected all positions, and if you want to change, maybe you just want to see one position or two different positions, whatever you want, you can choose here. Now I want to see the individual charts. So it's related to the player 14. Okay, here I have the index, the quality of decision making, and it's also displayed in this way, that in the left side we have the actions performed close to the ball, and the right side the actions performed away from the ball. And these blue bars are related to the offensive indexes, and these red ones are related to the defensive indexes. And here we have, again, the quality of decision making. The bars are representing the performance and the quality of decision making. And this line, the time that the player takes to read a play and make a decision. Okay, so it will vary according to each index you are seeing. So that's it. You can also create the PDF of this page. Look that here we have the individual chart of every player that we have selected, so you can see it here. And if you want to generate a PDF, just click here at Generate Report. And if you want to generate also this report here, just to create here, just click here that it will create a PDF. Okay, so we'll create a PDF that you are seeing here, this chart that you are seeing here, and then you can create as many as you want. Okay, that's it. It's very easy to use this custom report option in the platform that can be used to whatever you want, whatever is your need.